Sure, I'll tell him. No worries. Bye. That was Keith. Wants you to cover the evening shift. Michelle hasn't turned up for work.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Isn't Dave in?
It's really busy, apparently.
I hate you so much. You know that, right?
Better get a jog on, mate. You know what he's like.
Yeah, well, next time, tell him to shove it, yeah?
State reporters at a press conference this morning that the body of a prominent businessman, David Boone, found late last night in a parking lot might be related to robbery. The main suspect is identified and wanted for grand robbery and questioning of the homicide. One of the persons in question is a white female in her early 20s or late teens with blonde hair. The other suspect is a white male with gray hair, with a blue dog, who understands.
Who's a good boy? You are. You, yes, you are.
Yes. Yes, the stench of death surrounds you. Tread carefully, boy, for today could be your last among the living.
Let go of me, you fucking freak.
I've been waiting here for over 10 whole minutes.
Yeah, sorry, mate. We're a little bit short-staffed today.
It's totally unacceptable. I want to speak to your manager.
Listen, bud, I'm in no mood for this tonight. Do you want your crappy porn flick or not?
Shit. Keep your voice down. Here.
Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? Can you hear me? Please answer. Please.
Jesus. What kind of freaky shit are you into, Dave?
Hey there. Do you want to know a movie fact? You know the mask in Hallows' Eve The one Mickey Myers wears? It was actually a William Sharp mask. Did you know that in that movie, The Rock Boxer, Sylvester Stallone passed out after losing a race to a chicken? Did you happen to know that the cat in The Dogfather was some stray that a producer found hanging around the lot? Did you know that they use real bees when they filmed The Candywoman 2, Farewell to the Honey? Did you know that Luna Larry, you know, from the Story of Toys, was originally called Buzz? Did you know that the runtime of Jim Cameron's The Unsinkable Boat was 2 hours and 40 minutes? That just so happens to be how the boat lasted on a maiden voyage. Did you know that RBO Studios gave all their set props to NASA after they finished filming 3001: A Space Journey? That's all I've got, unfortunately.
What the hell, Toadie? Jesus! Can't a man take a dump in peace?
What the hell, man? Were you sleeping in there?
Oh, such needy bastards, the lot of them.
Hi there, my name's Timothy. I'm a journalist for the Evening Standard. I'd like to ask a few questions about the recent disappearances. They all seem to stem from around this location, and I'm interviewing a few of the shop staff around here to see if they've noticed anything fishy.
Sorry, but we know about as much as you do right now.
Understandable. Sorry for the interruption. If you do hear anything interesting, then be sure to give us a call.
Wow, this town has really gone to the shits, man.
You got that right.
November 29th. Interview with Video to Go staff was less than helpful. Something's going on in there, and I'm going to find out what. Better head back to the office. It's getting late. What the hell was that? Ugh! What is that awful smell? No! No! Please!
Nine o'clock. Time to close up and get out of here.
Right, I'm gonna head out. You can close along, right?
What the fuck, man?
Oh, you'll be fine. I'm meeting Michelle tonight. I really need to go and get ready.
Michelle? I thought she wasn't well. She phoned in sick.
She isn't. But she's about to get a whole lot better, if you know what I mean. It's dangerous to go alone. Here, take this.
Yeah, thanks. Unfucking believable.
That's not why I'm here. As you will be aware, there have been a spate of missing people in the area recently. We're sort of at a loss at this point, but we did notice that every one of the missing persons had a video to go account. I'm just curious if you have your recent customer transaction data to hand. We'd like to check some of the dates compared to their last sighting.
Oh. Yeah, sure. They're in a filing cabinet out back. Just give me a minute.
Perfect. Thank you for your cooperation. This will be extremely helpful. And Mr. Brown, try to remember to pay that TV license.
Oh, good God. Jesus Christ, Cap, don't do that.
What's the matter? Let's go. Ah, you'll never survive the war. Hey, did you hear, by the way? Another person's gone missing. That's 3 this week. What the hell is going on?
That's disgusting. It's been weeks and they haven't even got close to catching this guy yet.
What do you think I feel? At least you get to go home and lock your doors. Am I here on that? Anyway, I'm just going to have a rest back here if that's alright with you.
All good, man. I need to get back in anyway. I've just got to put the returns back on the shelves and then it's home time. Sorry, no offense.
Not taken. The bins are my home now.
Equipment broadcasting breaking news. Police have found the body of an adult male. The body has been heavily mutilated. Police advise that all citizens return to their homes immediately and lock all doors and windows. I repeat, police inform that all citizens return to their homes immediately and lock all doors and windows.
Sorry, we're closed. We're closed. You're gonna need to come back tomorrow. Are you deaf? Fuck off. Oh, for Christ's sake. Who does something like this? Better let Keith know what happened. Should give him a call. This better not come out of my fucking pay. Well, I'm glad to hear you care about the safety of your staff.
Don't be a smartass. I'll be there soon. Now, board it.
Dickhead. Pissing hell, who's this now? Can't I just get an easy shift for once in my life? Hello? Keith? Keith, I thought you were...
We're going to have fun tonight.
Who the fuck is this?
I'll see you soon, you piggy.
Screw waiting for Keith, I'm getting out of here right now. I shouldn't use the main door, it's not safe out there. The vents. I can hide in the vents. Come on. Come on.
You really think I don't know where you are?
Holy shit. Who the hell could do something like this?
There you are. I just wanna play. Just play with me! Don't run from me! Can't outrun me, Piglet. Look who's awake. I haven't finished up my little game yet. So you stand right there until I'm ready for you. Won't be long.
Christ, you're okay. Listen, you've got to get me out of here before that freak comes back.
Cap. I thought you were dead.
He cut me up pretty bad. You've got to help me.
Don't worry, I'll find a way.
Kite, you soldier.